Give them a round of applause for Kid Madison!
Experience it all.
We officially welcome you, family and friends, to the celebration that we prepared for our daughter, Queen Madison Bligno.
I can see
Happy birthday, and I love you so much, baby. May you grow healthy, strong, and beautiful, and kind. Okay?
it all begins right now. It's strong. I can see a world I've never known, and now I'm flying high into the sky above it all. It's nothing like I've ever experienced. It's nothing like I've ever seen. Experience it all. Experience the feeling right now.
Good day po, everyone. To our family and friends, you fill our hearts with so much joy for showing up today. Today is a very important day, especially for our firstborn who just turned 7. Grabe, time flies. Hindi namin namalayan na ang laki na pala ng mga bata. I always compare that parenthood is like taking care of a cocoon. You're just waiting for them to grow, to watch them fly until they become a beautiful butterfly.
Experience. It's nothing like I've ever seen. Experience.
Hello, my dear, beautiful ina-ana. All of us are happy to see you grow up like that. A beautiful young lady. So stay sweet and responsible daughter and kind to your siblings. And we will always support you. We love you, Madi. Happy birthday. Because little by little, they are becoming more independent. And I know time will come that they will be on their own. Medyo nakakalungkot yung part na yon. Kaya as parents, we always make sure that we are there for them. In every big or small milestone, in every occasion, in any ups and downs or any celebration, we make sure that we are always involved and present.
Experience.